The fire. What firework was it? Illegal?
All fireworks are illegal out here right now.
Oh my god. Focus, phone.
Someone's fucking house.
It's unreal.
Something you'd seen in a friggin' movie just happened.
Coming up and over
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
that's seriously so loud.
Oh my lord. How far away do we live from here? How far?
Someone's house is burning down right by our house.
Someone's house is freaking burning down. Oh my lord. If you see this in person, this is the scariest thing you can ever see. Stop freaking out. Oh my lord. Stop freaking out. It's not even
Like everything's on fire.
everything. Multiple. Oh my god. This is. Oh my lord. No. Oh my. You can't see it right now, but. Oh my. Look at that. That is pure fire. Just like houses. And we live right down the street. We live almost right down the
Good thing
street.
we got renters in.
Good thing we only rented our house. Luckily, I want to move out of this whole entire world. This is what's happening. Right down the street from my home. This. Freaking fire is burning down this neighborhood right here. I thought the volcano in Hawaii was bad. Look at this. Look at that. How's your 24th, people? Because ours is like the neighborhood down the street burning down, so I say pretty nice. Yours is nice, right? Don't you think so? Because I think so. Like, my 4th of July is going good. My 24th. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. You're literally still recording. Yeah.
Holy moly, is the house gonna catch on fire?
So there you go, ladies and gents. My little bad. Take the dog.
No.
There you go. And I don't live too far from here. So this is just great. Just great.
Hey, get in the car.